Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Enjoying, huh? Yeah, for me it is. It's so good.
See the road. So this is the road where we will,
Okay.
where we will
Try.
learn,
I will try.
Yeah.
neutral.
See how he's saying. It's a neutral.
Okay.
Okay. First gear,
Okay.
second gear, third,
Okay. One, two,
fourth.
okay.
That's it. And you have to press this one. Then you have to
This
change
is
the
the
gear.
acceleration?
Yeah. This is the clutch.
Okay.
Accelerator is here.
And this is the stop.
Clutch.
What means that?
For changing the gear.
Okay.
For in the car
And
also
what
we
is
are
the
doing.
stop?
A stop. This is the first brake. Stop one. And
How
come.
is stop?
Come. I will tell you. See, when you will press slowly, it will stop.
Okay.
This one is the brake, and this one is the also brake. So you have apply in the emergency. Otherwise you fall down. You don't have to take this one. You have to take this one. Yeah.
When you stop.
Yeah. This is back gear.
And how you keep the motorcycle? With.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's fine.
I don't know if I can keep it I need to press also neutral, Anand.
No.
I just
It's
want
same like car. You have to press this one,
This one?
clutch, then you have to change the gear. That's it.
Okay. And how you decrease?
Like front, it will decrease. Click, it will decrease. Click,
Decrease is there and
increase is there.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Okay.
sit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. हम बैठ जाएं.
हाँ. रुकी. He will sit also backside
Yeah,
to balance.
Yeah. Come.
First, yeah,
How I
like that.
like this?
Yeah.
Neutral.
Okay,
Put in neutral.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Neutral. No.
It's not
yes.
neutral. Then you will start. You don't have to in neutral. You don't have to
Okay.
take.
Okay.
Whenever you will change the gear, then and you have to leave very slowly, not very fast. Otherwise you
Come
fell down.
later we come.
And accelerator you have to take very small. No, you don't. Very small. A small. Okay.
I do the.
Yeah.
No.
First, okay. Start the bike. It's
Start
neutral. Neutral.
Yeah, it's neutral.
So start the bike. So
Start the back.
यहाँ से है
Balance.
ये है
नहीं.
okay, it's not working. And
So, how I am starting it?
as like that, you have to hit
Let's.
like that.
Start.
But
Okay, starting.
Yeah.
Now, I am
now
on neutral.
see, you are in neutral. You can like that. So you have to do very slowly.
This is stop.
It is a stop,
Yeah,
but you have to emergency. But a stop is here. See, brake is here. You don't take too much. Sit. Go sit.
Come.
Okay. पकड़
I hope
लीजिए
you'll
आप.
not fall.
Slowly.
Stop. I'll take again.
Neutral.
You have to take slowly, not too much. Otherwise you will fall down.
दो गियर था.
Anand will tell 1 week for me.
Okay, start.
How I start this?
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Pray. Hit.
Start.
How?
Hit.
I cannot.
Yeah, you can hit.
How?
Yeah, hit.
Doesn't start.
Yeah, you have to. You are a sporty guy. You.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Neutral.
Yeah.
Neutral. Yeah.
Start.
Start.
Yeah, hit. Yeah, hit.
Hit.
Yeah. Yeah. Fast. Hit.
I cannot.
Give me.
It's not working.
Give me the chance. Okay, leave it.
It's not working.
See, like that. Neutral नहीं है क्या?
Neutral है. ज़्यादा. Yeah.
it's a hard.
It's hard, yes.
It's hard.
Wait.
Okay.
You have to take very slow.
इसका बोल दीजिए हम बढ़ा के हैंडल दे देंगे.
See, first he will go, then he will they will give you the handle, okay? Then
Okay.
you have to manage, yeah. Yeah,
You tell me when.
yeah.
Ah. Change?
Oh, no.
Only one.
Okay.
One.
Neutral, please.
It is neutral. Now it's neutral.
Our gear.
One gear.
One.
But that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah, bus.
Ready.
Yeah.
One.
Change the gear. Second. गया आवाज ले.
I stop it.
Yeah. You are driving like good.
Yes, it's
It's
not
easy.
so difficult. You
Yeah.
just need to know.
The things how
things.
how you have to do, when you have to do. That's it. It's good.
Neutral.
Arun is good teacher.
No.
You can
It's
you
very
can
good. It's a very good.
you
teacher.
can like
It's neutral.
yeah, put down this one. Wait. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
It's not hard.
It's easy, yeah.
He's a
No,
good
easy.
teacher.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I am able to turn around.
Later you will
I can
learn.
try single.
No.
No, you will fall down.
No balance नहीं मिलेगा ना.
You
I
will
have
not
no
able to
balance.
balance. Okay, so try again.
धीरे
Go.
धीरे.
Go sit.
Do you think I cannot balance it?
You can balance, but you will not able to manage the accelerator and gear
हाँ.
things.
बस.
Okay, after 1 or 2 days, then you will able to manage.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
I'm an
Within,
ambitious person. I am very ambitious person.
yeah. Neutral.
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 Start the.
Start. ठीक.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
You go. You
Go.
put it
Sit.
back.
Sit. Yeah. He will sit back.
Yeah, just a minute.
सीख जाएगी आसानी से.
हाँ.
हाँ.
पैरवा ऊंचा है तो इसलिए.
पैरवा भी ऊंचा है और पकड़ती है बहुत जल्दी.
He is
Okay.
saying he will learn very fast.
Really?
Yeah.
I can try single.
No. Wait. Once after 3 or 4 times you will try.
Clutch.
Without this one you can't change.
One
Now you
gear?
can change. Yeah, it's fast. Sit. बैठिए. Wait. Yeah.
Yes, I wait for you.
Yeah. You have to learn how to stop.
Okay.
It's enough now?
You have to learn how to stop.
Yeah, I need to learn how to stop. Is neutral?
Yeah.
Neutral.
Okay. So I can put it down.
Yeah.
And how you stop the...
Yeah.
How you stop the...
Like that.
It's not hard.
Yeah, it's easy.
He's good at the driving.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4
Yes. Forget.
maximum.
क्लच.
Stop.
इसका बोल दीजिए कि सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्लच होता है.
Clutch is very important. You have to lift very slowly. Otherwise you will fall down. Because you are changing the gear, right?
टर्निंग पे
Yeah, I'm doing the
क्लच
same to
हल्का
the
लेके
car.
गियर डाउन करके
I'm
4
doing the
3 में
same
जा
to
रही
the
है.
car
Eh?
with the foot.
Yeah.
With the feet. It's the same to the car.
Same
Same,
with
same
the
with
car.
the
Same with the
Very
car.
slowly.
Yeah.
But only that here it's not hand.
Yeah.
Nice.
How is your experience?
I can go single.
Yeah. Really?
I think so.
नो
He knows.
No.
My
Abs-
बैलेंस था यार.
balance you will not able to balance.
टर्निंग पे ना बैलेंस नहीं ले पाएगी.
In the turning you are not
In the
able to-
turning, yes.
Yeah.
या
In the turning it's...
Hard. After
but I can go only straight and stop. That will work.
yeah.
No turn. Turn I need to stop it, move it manually. We are not using motorcycles in Romania.
हाँ
Very less are.
मोटरसाइकिल नहीं यूज करता है लोग रोमानिया में. ये कार, ओनली कार.
Car,
कार.
bike,
स्कूटी.
not too much. Very less.
ओनली कार.
Car usually.
हाँ.
Few motorcycles, but
दैट इज
it's something.
नॉट गियर.
It's not usual.
हाँ
नहीं गियर वाला नहीं.
नहीं.
Are powerful motorcycles. That
हाँ.
one.
हाँ
That they are.
सुपर बाइक.
Yeah, super.
सुपर बाइक.
क्लच.
वेरी स्लो एक्सीलेटर.
क्या है?
फास्ट. स्लो.
ये गिरेगी.
स्टॉप.
चलो बोलिए चलो.
So you have to make slow accelerator, okay?
It's fine.
Okay, go. नहीं गिरेगी. टंग आ रही है. रोकल के कैसे
बोल रहा एक्सीलेटर स्लो मोड़ पर है. या
स्लो.
चलो एक्सीलेटर तक.
एक्सीलेटर यू हैव टू टेक स्लो.
ठीक है. 1 किलोमीटर में घूम रही वही ठीक है.
दैट्स इट.
चलो बोल रहा
Slow.
टर्निंग पे स्लो एक्सीलेटर. स्टॉप इट. क्लच.
या फाइन.
It's not difficult. Only need to be accommodating.
Yeah, it's a very important.
This is very sensitive.
Yeah.
This is what I need to teach.
Yeah.
The sensitive. How much you?
Very slow you have to take.
I think.
टर्निंग पे ई लेने का
And
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
In the turning you have to take this one.
हाँ एक्सीलेटर 10 स्लो.
In the turning you have to press
this
one.
one.
Yeah, otherwise you will fall down.
Okay. Then it's.
और एक चीज और.
हाँ.
गियर डाउन करना है. ये 1 2 देना. तो एक्सीलेटर और क्लच लेके एक्सीलेटर स्लो.
If you are changing the gear, you have to
स्लो.
Let
this and change the gear and take and change the gear.
Change
That's
gear.
it.
Yeah, this is the changing.
Yeah.
But when you tell me when I am returning, I need to press this on.
Yeah, and slow.
और स्लो.
Yeah,
That's it.
That's it.
Not changing the
No, not change.
neutral or.
1 या 2 में.
How I know it's in neutral or not?
Yeah, press. There is no any symbol, so you have to. Yeah.
न्यूट्रल थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके.
You can go up and slow.
चलो. एक्सीलेटर तक.
Accelerator you have to take slow.
ठीक है. 1 किलोमीटर में घूम रही वही ठीक है.
That's it.
चलो बोल रहा.
Slow.
टर्निंग पे स्लो एक्सीलेटर. स्टॉप इट. क्लच.
Yeah, fine.
It's not difficult. Only need to be accommodating.
Yeah, it's a very important.
This is very sensitive.
Yeah.
This is what I need to teach.
Yeah.
The sensitive. How much you?
Very slow you have to take.
I think.
टर्निंग पे ई लेने का
And
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
In the turning you have to take this one.
हाँ एक्सीलेटर 10 स्लो.
In the turning you have to press
this one.
Yeah, otherwise you will fall down.
Okay. Then it's.
और एक चीज और. गियर डाउन करना है. ये 1 2 देना. तो एक्सीलेटर और क्लच लेके एक्सीलेटर स्लो.
If you are changing the gear, you have to
स्लो.
let this and change the gear and take and change the gear.
Change
That's it.
Yeah, this is the changing.
Yeah.
But when you tell me when I am returning, I need to press this on.
Yeah, and slow.
और स्लो.
Yeah,
That's it.
That's it.
Not changing the
No, not change.
neutral or.
1 या 2 में.
How I know it's in neutral or not?
Yeah, press. There is no any symbol, so you have to. Yeah.
न्यूट्रल थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके.
You can go up and by foot. Yeah. Now
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
neutral.
neutral.
If in gear, it will not.
Will not work. Okay.
Same like car.
सेम.
Okay. It's not hard.
लाता हनी जो राजू था हूँ.
Okay. I thought you fell down.
Huh?
That time I thought you.
No, I know.
ज़्यादा दूर जाने के लिए.
I know
नहीं
to.
नजर के सामने.
I
Don't go.
know the bike, you know.
Don't go far away. You have to just turn around here, okay? So we will
Slow.
help.
Accelerator come down.
You have make
Important. Very.
don't too much accelerator, okay? Don't put too much accelerator.
Yeah, I need to teach this one. This one is like.
Okay.
एक मिनट एक्सीलेटर यहाँ ऐसे करके ना खाली इतना पकड़ रहे बस इतना
Yes. Slow.
स्लो
Yeah, that's
धीरे
it.
धीरे क्लच छोड़ने के लिए बोलते हैं
And slow. Leave the clutch very slowly.
जब आगे बढ़ाती है ना तो एकदम स्लो क्लच का सेम कार की तरह है
Same like a car. You have to leave very slow.
Slow.
Otherwise,
स्लो एक्सीलेटर स्लो वन ओनली वन ओके
yeah. You have to.
I did something wrong.
Yeah, you
Slow.
leave very fast. That's why you.
Ah, I was fast. Okay.
Yeah. So you have to leave very slow.
Okay, it's
मीटर
good.
मीटर सीख जाएगी पक्का ही सीख जाएगी ये अकेले चला लेना बहुत ही टफ है
Anand, this is not working.
हार्ड
Hard.
Uh-huh.
It's
हार्ड
hard.
This one is hard.
Yeah.
क्लच
One second.
या
That's it. That's it. Accelerator is. That's it. Fine. Why you
I
are
forgot
leaving
that. I
again?
am beginner, Anand.
Ah, okay. It's fine.
अच्छा अच्छा
The accelerator is fine.
ओ
Okay.
गियर
I
गियर
need to
न्यूट्रल
keep
नो
this
नो
one.
नो
Yeah.
नो न्यूट्रल
Is not neutral?
नो नो
Did it?
Yeah. No.
Ah, no neutral.
Yeah.
Now it's neutral. Okay.
Like that.
क्लच क्लच
Clutch very slowly.
वन
Very slowly. Gear is accelerator is fine. Actually, you don't have to.
स्लो
Yeah,
स्लो
it's fine. Slow. Very slow. Slow.
नो नो न्यूट्रल न्यूट्रल
Neutral.
You have to
Yeah.
same like a car. We have to manage clutch and accelerator. How? Okay, same like a car.
But with hands.
Yeah.
क्या
या हाथ से पैर से नहीं पैर से हम लोग मैनेज करते हैं ना कार में
हाँ
तो डिफरेंस है तो
या
हेयर इन हैंड
Yeah, I love it.
इतना खाना सीख जाऊँ चला हुआ था
It's not working.
you are a sports guy put your power yeah it's working
Okay.
yeah it's fast
It's good.
yeah
And now?
very
It's
slow
not good.
वेरी स्लो नो नो नो
It's second.
वन ये वेट हाँ अब वन
One.
या
why you are taking too much accelerator
स्लो एक्सीलेटर स्लो
आज का पर्स बनिया घुसाते का दो गियर लगा दी
उठा लेगा मुड़ी इतने एक्सीलेटर दे रही है मेंटेनेंस नहीं कर पा रहा हालांकि चला लेगी पक्का बोलते हैं
और
ब्रेक तो बोला ना
why you are not taking brake when you are turning
हाँ
yeah like that
It's good.
या
दो नंबर में डालते तो ज्यादा भागता है
ना ठीक है एक ही गियर में करा भरावे था ना ए स्लो एक्सीलेटर स्लो बोलल करन भाई जो डला तो ने तो उठा के ले दिया कार में स्लो या गुड गो